welcome back. Today we're going to be building a birdhouse using this fence picket. Let's get going. All right, to build our birdhouse, we're going to need to cut some pieces from our fence picket. We need 2 pieces for the front and the back, 2 side pieces, 2 roof pieces, and 1 piece for the decorative beam at the top. I'll leave a list of dimensions in the comments down below. When cutting pieces, use a stop block when possible. This will ensure accurate, equal lengths. For the side pieces, they need to be 4 inches wide, so I'm going to cut my piece to length and then save that for later for the table saw. My next pieces need a 45-degree bevel, so I'm going to tilt my saw over, cut the 45-degree bevel on each end, and then I will set up another stop block and cut them to length. These pieces are for the roof. All right, back to 0. Save that for later and head to the table saw. I'm ripping this piece to 4 inches wide. The right piece will be for the side pieces on the birdhouse, and the left piece is for the roof beam on the top. And then I mark the lengths for my side pieces. All right, now I'm going to cut a small notch at the top of the front and the back piece. This is where the top beam will go for the birdhouse. All right, the piece that we saved, we're cutting to length. That's for the very tippy top of the birdhouse. And then don't forget, we need to drill a 1-inch diameter hole for the house wren. I'm using a hand drill here, but a drill press would also work great. All right, now time for assembly. I'm going to be using some stainless steel screws, but any treated like deck screw would work great. All right, first I do the 2 side pieces. I'm going to attach it to the front of the birdhouse. I'm going to pre-drill all these holes just in case. Don't want any cracks while I drill in the screws. All right, now that I got the front on, it's looking good. Time to put on the back piece. Do the same thing, pre-drill, and then add 3 screws. All right, now I need to attach the top piece. This is where the hook is going to go. Where the hook is going to go to attach the birdhouse to a tree branch or other object. Going to pre-drill some starter holes for my 2 1/4 inch stainless steel trim screws. I will drill them straight down into the front piece and the back piece. And once that's complete, I can add the roof pieces. Do that by adding 4 screws. Pre-drilling all of them. Same steps for the other side. Just pre-drill, add some screws. And once that's done, I feel like probably should add a little hook for hanging it from a tree branch. Find the center, do a little pre-drill. For the hook, I'm using a 1 1/2 inch cup hook. All right, there we have it, birdhouse. Time to go hang it up. To keep it secure in windy conditions, I crimp over the cup hook using a pair of pliers. Thanks for watching.